The thing about cats. The thing about cats. They're fluffy. Soft, generally. The thing about cats. They provide emotional support and comfort at times. They're fun to observe when they get nipped out, for example. I believe there's more things to say, but I'm gonna stop there. I know how to use iMovie. They can produce entertainment. They chase little objects, tangible objects. Usually they have some sort of jingle noise built into their setup. A bell. The thing about cats. Well, you know. Well, I guess the main thing. Their claim to fame, if you will. Their voice box. Their communication methods. The meow. They meow. It occurs from time to time, at any given moment. Sometimes super early in the morning. At 4:30 in the morning. Just when you combine it with me, Tara, the thing about me. If you know me, you know that I have a wealth of energy that is generally unmatched by other human beings. I tend to have more energy than everybody else that I know. At least until I get super drunk and fall asleep or smoke pot. Let's do a simple math problem. I graduated UCLA, so I know how to do math with concepts. It doesn't have to be numbers. You can add other things together. So I'm gonna do that. I hope you're prepared. You put the thing about cats with, add it to the thing about me, that equals awake. I know how to use iMovie. I know how to use iMovie. There's no going back to sleep after that. It doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. So they meow, and they do it sometimes very early in the morning. And since we added Tara to the thing about cats, we should understand that there's just absolutely no way that I could go back to sleep after a long succession of meows. And it's okay because of the meowing succession, I was able to create this video and fuck with iMovie. You think Cesar Chavez can whisper to cats too? Or I mean, not whisper, I guess is not the term, but talk to them. Communicate with them in a spiritual sense. Did I say Cesar Chavez? That's not what I meant. I need to find a career. I don't want to say that I love banjo. And I'm not mad that I'm up at 5 in the morning because I do this all the time. I just felt like it would be a good opportunity to philosophize. No, we're not. I just felt like it would be a good opportunity to take this time to have a philosophical discussion about meowing. Why not? Life's too short. It's about all cats. It's about cats all over the world. It's even about lions, maybe. No, it's not about lions.
They're terrified. Absolutely terrified. He looks like he's seen her. Oh my God, don't let this happen.
It's about regular cats. This is a video about regular cats. So, I'm gonna probably be doing this more often if you enjoy it. I hope that you do. I would think that you would, because I'm awesome. Get ready for it. It's gonna be so fucking rad. Yeah. T-Killer production. Only if you're what? Nasty.